Hey there, I bring you good news and good tidings. Do you know you can make about 5,000 USDT in bonus by simply trading on Bybit? All you have to do is to actually use the link in my description and actually register on Bybit. Now, I'm going to tell you a few benefits also that comes with trading on Bybit. Recently, there was a challenge with actually trading in Nigeria because of the various government regulation. People had difficulty with trading P2P. You had to use VPN to actually use some of the exchanges and all that. But guess what? On Bybit, we were still trading seamlessly. I, for one, was still trading seamlessly. I was cashing out, making thousands of dollars trading cryptocurrency. And I think I actually made a video about that. But in case you did not see that video and you're seeing this video, well, Hail Mary to you. This is your video and this is your chance to actually make 5,000 USDT and also get to trade your cryptocurrency on P2P seamlessly with zero hassle whatsoever. All right. So now what I want you to do is to actually register, because this promo starts from the 1st of March. This video is actually made in April, but the promo starts from the 1st of March and it lasts until whenever you get to see this video. All right. All you have to do is to actually use the link in my description to actually register and you are good to go.